kia ikolomani guko ni kaunti-ni ya Kakamega riu nimareketie kwirwo ati no magire ciana ciao kurumirira murimu uri urakurirwo ukihofaniria arutwo aria mari thukuru-ini ucio gukinyiria riu namba ya arutwo aria makomete thibitari-ini kirũgamira arutwo 106 ta uria Eunny wa wambui aratariria.
Kiria ma arutwo 1000 nimetekeretio kuinuka mucii gukinyaniria na muthenya wa umuthi guku aciari amwe nimatigire ciana ciao cithie na mbere na mathomo.
Kuja kuona mwanafunzi wangu hapa Eregi Girls kwa sababu nilikuwa nimesikia kuna ugonjwa ya magoti, lakini sikukuta akiwa kwa hali mbaya. Wengine wamechukua watoto wao nyumbani, lakini mimi nimeonelea abaki kwa shule kwa sababu akiwa shuleni ako kwa mkono mzuri ya serikali. Mimi nikienda naye nyumbani naweza kushindwa kumtibu.
Hapo jana tulisikia kuna ugonjwa imetokelezea Eregi Girls, tukakuwa na waziwazi. But kuamkia leo tumekuwa shuleni, tujeona kama ni vibaya vile, lakini tumefurahia kama wazazi wenye tumefurahia kuacha walimu wanafunzi wetu kwa mikono ya walimu, tunajua kusalama.
Austin Omloyoti akiaria handu-ini ha mwarimu munene wa thukuru uyu niugite ati niguo mete aciari ao ni thutha wa arutwo kurehe bunjo ira hwai na gutharikira arangiri hamwe na arutwo o ene na guthukangia ngari iria cirari thukuru-ini uyu.
The students at one point started hurling stones at the police. They have injured quite a few police officers. Some students were actually also injured in the presence of their colleagues hurling stones at the police officers.
Oho ni augire ati thukuru ndukuhingo no aciari aria mari na kiagago ni undu wa ciana ciao nimetekeretio guthii na ciana ciao mucii.
School is not closed. We only allowed the children, the girls who really wished to go home to go to their parents, because the parents were unruly. They were demanding that the students go home. It was not the wish of the school to be closed, because in another 3 weeks the normal closure for the Form 1, 2 and 3 would have happened anyway.
Arutwo 106 nio magumeirwo ni murimu uyu kuria makomete thibitari itiganite kaunti-ni ya Kakamega. Arutwo amwe ni mahetwo rutha rwa kuinuka mucii na thukuru no urerigirira maumirira ma uthuthuria wa murimu uyu uria wanyitire arutwo muthenya wa kiumia giki.
We are expecting results from Kemri today by the public officers, and from those results the public health people would advise us as to what this outbreak was and how it should be managed.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Eunny wa wambui.
Thegi muno mundu gwitwo Eunny wa wambui ni riboti na tugakihoka